Hello there, welcome to Big Data Solution. Happy New Year 2024. Today I'm going to discuss about the new book which is entitled Computer Skills That Increase Your Productivity. So the book is recently released and it's actually designed in a way that will actually improve uh, the skills from basic level of understanding computer skills, specifically on Microsoft Word, then actually build step by step the skills and the knowledge, and actually makes you to the advanced level of user. So that is how it is organized. So in today's topic, we will see the objective of the book and how it is organized and for whom this is actually recommended. It's better to give a man the fishing rod than to give him a fish. And this book is all about that. It will actually give you the directions how one can actually be productive and efficient and effective. Objectives of the book. The objective of the book is to teach main features of Microsoft Word, like creating, formatting, editing, and collaboration with other people, and it will actually teach you the best practices of using Microsoft Word for efficient and effective utilization. It will actually give a grammar checking and editing and how to use shortcut keys for effective and efficiency of utilization. It also discuss how one can actually integrate Microsoft Word with other offices like Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. And the other major important one is how you can actually solve real world problems uh, using advanced level of skills. So that is the objective of the book. For whom Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing software that can be used by anyone who needs to create, edit, or format text-based document. And according to this book, Computer Skills That Increase Your Productivity, it is for students, for professionals, for business people, and for freelancers. See the detail in our previous videos where each one actually have detailed uses for different categories of people and how they can actually practically apply those skills in their work. So the main topic that we are going to discuss today is how the book is organized, and this book is organized by 10 thematic areas. It has got 10 thematic areas so that readers and the learners can make step-by-step learning. The thematic areas are organized as per the Microsoft Word ribbon in Office 365. So the book is arranged in similar to Microsoft Word ribbon Office 365. The thematic areas are Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, References, Review, View, Developer, and Test Yourself. So under each thematic area, there are actually a number of lessons uh, which are actually start with some definition of the concept as well as and how that can be actually practically used in a day-to-day activity that will actually make effective and efficient. Under each thematic area, topics are discussed with simple language so that learners can benefit at most. Self-evaluation for each part or chapter is actually incorporated. Self-test for each part or chapter, and the final evaluation and bonus questions are included. The note explain on how one can use the skills in a practical day-to-day activity, specifically how they can actually use in solving real problems. It's my expectation that learners can greatly boost their skills and knowledge on Microsoft Word, use and potentially use the skill to earn additional income if they put into use. So that is also one opportunity. The book also tips such possibilities, how you can actually change that skills into just gaining some additional income. There are 7 topics in total learners can learn in this book. Before they start the chapter or the part, learners evaluate their previous experience on topic under the thematic area and give objective rating for themselves using the template developed for this purpose. There is a template that actually guide the learners to do this. Then learners plan 2 to 3 topics based on their experience and the utility so far. So they can plan 2 to 3 topics which are they find important to put into use if they are actually not currently using the skill under that thematic area. For that, they use a ready-made template to encourage them the process of learning. To encourage learners the process of learning under this book, they are actually provided with a ready-made template so that they can actually track their progress. Then they evaluate their status of putting new skills into a practice after certain intervals of their choice. They evaluate their status with the certain intervals of their choice. It could be quarter, monthly, or biannual. Then learners track their progress using a dashboard created for this purpose at their own intervals of choice. So there will be a dashboard created for this purpose, and they can actually use that as well. The dashboard is provided to them for free to easily track their progress and visualize their progress over the course of time. So the book users can also test their understanding of Microsoft Word queues using a Google Forms, whereby compete with other users and get their results instantly. Users and the learners assess their skills and knowledge using an interactive tool called Kahoot, whereby they entertain and learn at the same time. So that's also incorporated. Finally, the author will try to present some of the content in YouTube or live lessons if necessary. So this is today's lesson video is also about that. So part of that. So learners are advised to consume that as well to consolidate their skills. How this book is increase your productivity. So the book is entitled Computer Skills that Increase Your Productivity, and as the name indicates, this book increase your productivity in a number of ways, and we look into that as well. That the first one is surely one can learn new skills, a new topic. Learners can have skills that improve their speed. Probably they may know, but some of the aspects, but will actually teach on how they can speed up their speed. They also get the skills to generate extra income, skills to collaborate with others effectively and efficiently will be learned. So they also get the skill that make to do things smartly and professionally. So that is how the book is organized. Here is one of the part of the book under home, for example. Under home, the topics are actually dictate, editor, find, generate, heading, replace, select, and transcribes. If the learner is actually already use this, he or she will tick here. If not using, tick here. And if used, he or she will write for what purpose they have actually used in this area. And if they are actually not using, they can actually plan here by saying simply yes. So that's how the book is organized. Similarly, for other topics, if they are actually currently using it, they will tick here. Otherwise, they will tick here. So they will do like that. And for the thematic areas or the topics that are actually they are not currently using, they will actually based on their preferences and interests, they can actually plan to use it, and then they will write yes, and that will be actually reflected in the dashboard. I mean on the dashboard, yeah. So they will do the same for other parts as well by repeating and just ticking the topics. So here is the summary of that template will actually looks like this. For each part, their current status will be displayed like this, and top three are actually highlighted in green, showing that the learner is actually performing good in those areas. For example, in this particular case, under the topic for home design and layout, he or she is actually performing well, and under the topic draw, reference, and developer are actually low. So that particular guy should actually focus increase to increase his productivity in those areas. So by the way, this is actually automatically highlighted. So this is just for the demo purpose. We'll look into how interactively that will be changed in the upcoming video. So then the next one is the learner will actually plan and learn those skills and then evaluate after certain times of utilization. So it will actually increase some of the skills. For example, in this particular case, from 57 to 86 in quarter one, in quarter two, 86%, and so on. It will actually expect it to improve over time once the learner actually puts a certain time to learn those skills. So that is automatically updated. And there is also a dashboard which is automatically updated again for the learner, where the learner can actually know his or her current status. For example, at the current status, which is 35% for this demo purpose, and in quarter one, 50% of the total topics. 85% of the total skills, 65% of total skills in quarter 3, and 85% of total skills attained or learned and or utilized in practical way in quarter 4. That is how the dashboard is actually organized. So where can I get the book? One can get the book from the following link. For a full book, one can find from this link, and there is also an option for short form of the book in the form of booklet, which is for free. In that case, you have to email to us using this email, and you can get it directly in your inbox. So you can actually click also here this link and you'll get the booklet. So obviously, as I've already discussed, this book is actually give you different skills from the basic level to the expertise level, and it is one of the books that you should have in your life. And that's all, and thank you very much. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and sharing this video to your friends and network. And that's all. Thank you very much, and bye bye.